Now I'll open an automatic window right here. And now my video is automatically saving to Google Drive. So this video is already finished sharing. So I can do many things. I can copy a link, and if I paste this link here, it will give me a direct link to my Google Drive video.
Well, I have another question for you. If we want to look at our Screencastify videos, especially the one that we just recorded, do we have to log into Screencastify or do those save automatically to our Google Drive?
They automatically appear on Google Drive.
Yay!
They will appear in this folder right here called Screencastify, and it will list every single screencast video. Now it's saved in your Google Drive for as long as you need it. In addition to saving it to Drive, you can also immediately publish your video to YouTube, or you can also share it directly to Google Classroom.
But I have a question for you. I just
Yes.
recorded a video, but I said way too much. I want to trim it down or cut some out. Am I able to do that?
Yes, especially in the beginning and the end, it's very easy to trim the edges of a video. For example, if I spoke way too much in the first 10 seconds and I would like to delete this portion of my video, I click on these scissors and I bring them over.
Okay.
And the last 5 seconds was a very awkward silence. So I will trim the last 5 seconds here and I click Save Trim. Now, if these edges are permanently deleted, but if you don't like them, you can just delete them. Click Trim. It takes a couple of seconds, and then your video will be more compact and more smooth.
Nice. I like it.
You can also download your video if you want to work on an external editor as well. So I download my video, and here I can watch on my offline media player.
I think this is a great way to really personalize your lessons. Even though you can't be there with your students physically, they very much can see your lecture and your presence in the presentation.
It's very, very helpful for online learning. It's a very useful tool.
Yeah, this is an amazing tool. I think this will really help our trainees a lot, with recording lessons because everybody's stressed out these days about recording lessons. I know even myself, I'm stressed out, but you've showed us how to do this step by step, and I feel pretty good.
I will give you one caveat, which is that if you use the free version of Screencastify, your videos are limited to 5 minutes in length. You can make
Ah,
unlimited videos, but each video can only be 5 minutes.
oh, so you have to record in portions.
Yeah, so if you want to make a 10-minute video, you can make two 5 minute sections and then share them separately or combine them.
But what if I have a 25-minute lecture I have to give?
That's a good question. You could record five separate videos. That could get a little bit tiresome.
Right. What's my
Or
alternative?
you can purchase the full version from Screencastify.
Ah, okay.
The full version, if you use the educator's discount, is $29 or about 34,000 won for 1 year.
Okay. Is that unlimited or does it cap how many I can make at a time?
Nope, you can make as many videos of any length that you wish. The only limit
Nice.
is Google Drive storage.
That's probably true. That's why you, more than likely, if you have a Google Education account at your school, then you have unlimited storage. You could make it under that. If you make a lot of Screencastify videos, just make sure you have enough Google Drive storage then.
Yeah, that's it. The only limit is Google Drive storage and your imagination.
Wow. Like always, Ian, you're just amazing at your knowledge of making videos and how to help our teachers prepare for their online lessons. So I just want to say thank you.
Oh, my
And
pleasure. And anything I can do to help.
yeah, I enjoyed our podcast. Let's do it again sometime.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right, everybody. Take care. Bye.
Cheers.